Hi guys, I've been searching on YouTube for a video that demonstrates what I want you guys to be able to do, but I haven't been able to find that, so I'm going to make you one. So the big idea in algebra is the ability to evaluate an expression at any given value, and that's what you're going to find a lot on YouTube. The videos that will give you a given value, and then you have to substitute it into an expression and then evaluate that, right? Like x equal to 5, plug 5 in. But what if this given value is an actual expression? So it's not x equal to 5, but x equal to something more than that, right? So if that's the case, you're going to have to actually work a little bit more algebra in order to get the answer. So it goes like this: evaluate, and I'm going to make up an original expression. Like they're going to give you 6x minus 13y plus 1, for example, right? And then they're going to tell you something else. They're going to tell you that when x is actually 13y minus 4, for example. So instead of x equal to 5, where you substitute 5 in, you substitute the entire 13y minus 4 in. So if you know how to do the former, this will be better, okay? You'll be able to do this. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to actually substitute the original x value, the original x variable, the original x with what's given to me, which is 13y minus 4, okay? So I will take my original expression, 6x minus 13y plus 1, right? And I'm going to substitute in x. So I'm going to find where x is. Okay, and then you have to know what operation this is in order to do this correctly. The original operation, 6x, means 6 times x, right? So wherever that x is, I'm going to put 6 times 13y minus 4. So I'm substituted in. And then I continue the rest of my expression. Keeping in mind that wherever I find an x, it's going to be 13y minus 4. In this case, we only have one x, right? So, and then we continue our expression, 13y plus 1. Okay, so I write the rest of my expression. And then this looks like a mess, right? So I have to, the last step in algebra usually is to simplify things, right? Simplify. So make it prettier, make it shorter, combine like term and all that good stuff, right? So simplify the equivalent expression, the equivalent. I'm calling it equivalent because it is just rewriting the original equivalent expression, okay? I'm not changing the value of it. I'm just changing the look of it, okay? So I'm going to substitute this in and then do my math. So I'm going to go back to maybe lower grade level middle school math here and distribute this through 6 times 13y. So that will give you 78y, okay? 78y. My pen is not working very well, sorry. Minus, or maybe it's the surface. 6 times 4 is 24. And then I continue my expression, 13y plus 1 here, right? And then here, I put an equal sign in front because it is equivalent, right? And then here, I know I'm not done yet because I still have like terms in my expression. So simplifying means combining like terms, right? Making things simpler, right? Put things together, group them, right? So I put 78y and negative 13y together. I should get, let's say, 65y, right? 65y. Okay, and then I see that my constants, negative 24 and positive 1, could be also combined. So I'm going to combine those and get negative 23. And at this point, I look at my expression, I say, okay, they're both are not like terms, so I know I am simplified, right? You know you're simplified when you don't have any more like terms in your expression. So that's how you evaluate an expression at a given expression, and not just a given value. I hope this video is helpful. See you guys later.